Hey, I'm Lesley Logan. Today we're going to do side to side here on your ladder barrel.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So side to side is from your short box series, and it's one of the ones that is like the most misunderstood. So I'll probably turn to the side just so you can see what I'm doing as well. And when we actually were doing the barrels deck flashcard photo shoot, we actually did turn the barrels to the side so you could see the side to side. So if you're here from the onlinepilatesclasses.com barrels flashcard deck, thank you so much. I'm so glad you are loving that and using that. It really is key to exploring all the different parts and how the ladder barrel can support our full practice. So if you don't have that deck, go get it. But let's talk about the side to side. So you did round back, which is a round spine into extension, maybe in back into round. Then we did flat back or tall back, which just stays tall the whole time, no extension. And then you do side to side. So your feet are on that second rung from the top and you're pushing into them and you're sitting on this apex. And then you're going to lift up both sides and go to up and over and then to the other side. And the thing is that a lot of people want to make the side bend really big and dramatic, or they lean forward to make it really big and dramatic. You just get sit up here and lift up and over and lift up and over. And it really is happening. I'll show you from the side. Really is happening like just in the spine. It's like I'm going to up and over and up and over. And to make this happen, I'm really squeezing my legs to ground my pelvis, right? But if I'm not hugging a ladder barrel, because that's not what normally happens, I'm reaching into it, I'm really staying in my glutes so I can get out of my hip flexors. And I can get all the way up and over. Do a few sets of those. It's one that people like to skip. I highly recommend you don't. And when you do it, you try to create more length in the side that you're bending towards, and you're going to find so much more strength in that. It's very deep, feels really good, and it's going to impact your future side bend exercises. If you want to explore more of those, definitely check out the workout we have on the ladder barrel over at onlinepilatesclasses.com, where we do life better.